we have an interview with Miss Suhaida. So, hi Miss Suhaida, welcome. So, please introduce yourself first.
Okay, hi. Thank you, Christina. So my name is Nur Suhaida binti Adnan, and I'm an IT intern at KTP and Company PLT. So I have been here for 6 months already,
Okay.
and today is my last day at KTP and Company.
Okay, so you've been working at KTP for 6 months, right?
Yeah,
Internship.
6 months.
So, is there any skills you have learned here so to develop you to become more professional? Anything you want to share with us?
Okay, sure. So working with the team at KTP actually has helped me grow a lot. So professionally, I have learned a lot of tools, software, and also AI. And also our principal is very advanced in IT. You know.
Okay.
Okay. So this skill actually is an opportunity for me to learn, grow, to learn. Learn. Okay. Once again, apa tadi?
You want me to ask you again?
You.
Okay. So you have been working as an intern at KTP for around 6 months, right?
Yeah.
So do you learn any skills like what kind of skills have you learned at KTP? Like you develop yourself, become a more professional person. Anything you want to share with us?
Okay, sure. So working with the team at KTP has helped me grow a lot. So here for 6 months, I have learned a lot of tools, software,
Okay.
and also AI. And this is advanced knowledge for me.
Okay.
And then personally, I think I have improved my skills in communicate with the colleague, and also I improve my skills in deliver my ideas. So the team support and feedback has helped me grow a lot and become more confident and independent.
Okay, so since you're working here for 6 months,
Yeah.
so did you participate in any activities to have like team bonding or maybe you enjoy any event you want to share with us?
Yes, at KTP, every week we have a sport activities. So such as badminton and also pickleball. So I have also joined the sport activities at KTP, and also I joined the IAFG games, which
Okay.
are the badminton tournament. So actually this is an opportunity for me to create a bonding with the colleague outside of the work. So and also one event that I cannot forget is the annual dinner. We celebrate success, we eat together, and I think it made me feel like I'm the part of the team.
Like a big family, you
Yeah.
have that kind of feeling, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then other than that, so you work here. So do you think that you gain any like skills or knowledge like is good for your career in future? Because in future you may like want to apply a job in other places. And
Yeah.
so any skills you have learned at KTP can help you to stand out compared to other candidates,
Yeah, so at KTP, I learned important skills in my IT career. So such as analyzing data, automating tasks, and also reporting. So actually, these skills is very important to my future career. And I learned how professional audit firm works. And I'm the IT person. I know nothing about audit firm, but when I come to KTP, I learned how audit and tax workflows, and it actually is a advantage for me to stand out.
Okay, so just now you have mentioned that you actually know nothing about audit because
Yeah.
you are IT
IT
intern,
person,
you
yeah.
have
I
IT
learned about
knowledge.
IT je.
Yeah, so since you maybe it's a bit challenge, right? Like you
Yeah.
work at audit. So did you receive any guidance from like mentor or did you receive any guidance from manager or other colleagues?
Actually, it's a good question. So, at here, the team was always ready to help me, always support me, guide me. And for example, Miss Angela, my HR admin manager, she helped me. She taught me on how to present a better data, better visual, and I think they always ready. Always
Support you, is
yeah, always support me. And I know their support and their
You very appreciate.
yeah. I
Because if
appreciate.
you try to do the things and then you got problem, you
Ah,
got someone
to back up me, to
yeah,
always have
give
my
you
back.
support.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think I'm so grateful for the team. Yeah.
Okay. Other than her, Miss Angela, you got someone else to
Got
thank.
you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I got you.
Thank you.
Christina also helped me a lot.
Yeah.
Christina, can you help me? She's the one who will lend an ear and hand to me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, so if someone looking for a job want to work at KTP, what will you say to them? Any words you want to say to them?
Okay, I will tell to them that KTP is a great place to grow and learn. So the team is very supportive, and also the company always give you a chance to develop new skills,
To try new things,
to
right?
try new things. So I think everyone here works well together. And of course, I have recommend KTP and Company PLT become your choice for career development.
Okay, so we wish you all the best for your
Yeah.
future and hope we all become better ourselves. Okay?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank
Rizka.
you for
Thanks to
having
you.
you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
And bye bye.
Bye.
Okay, okay.
Wait, wait.
Can right.
Mantap.
This should be